This is quarantine content. Hey guys, this is me, Iqbal, today again in a new other video. It's about Crash unboxing here.
Isn't it trash?
No, we are changing the name.
Why?
To Crash unboxing. Why? It's a really nice question. We're changing it because it's not that trashy. We are crashing every time, so I'm crashing every time. It's not trashy, right? It's trashy, it's like, it's outright just buckwass, but it's not that buckwass. We're just crashing, just zoom. That's why.
Open it.
Right, so this is Lenovo. So this is Lenovo Legion. It's a new laptop. It is Lenovo Legion. It's powered by Intel. It's Intel i7 9th generation.
Yeah.
Is it a gaming?
It's a gaming one with RAM, 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD. And it's 15.6 inch screen.
It's a video part.
15.6 inch screen? It's a screen.
Yeah, what's the video
What
part?
Oh, okay. So it's a 1660 Ti. It's not a bad one, which we were actually looking for in our rig personally, but hey, this one is doing the same thing.
How much is it?
It is 1,499 Canadian plus taxes.
12%.
Not bad.
So what I'll do is I'll open it with my signature knife.
Taking you a long time to open that one.
It's been a while that I opened something. Fun fact, it's still not mine.
You're never gonna get anything. Wait.
Hold on.
You just...
Hold on. The unboxing experience here is totally different. It's a gaming laptop by Lenovo. What I'll do is, this is just a laptop. I'll put this on the side first. And we'll check what's inside the box. Right. Not bad at all. The unboxing experience is like really on par. Some jargons here about the Legion, ultimate support, blah blah blah, Lenovo. Support stuff.
How big is the brick? Oh my god.
Damn. This is damn. This brick is just crazy.
Check the wattage.
In the back.
230 watt.
Damn.
It's just killer. I'll put it back inside. So we'll just unbox it.
Just look like
That's a good
Dell
laptop.
G9. The ports are in the back. So
Yeah.
it's way better
So okay,
for people with,
who wants to do gaming, right?
yeah.
So it's just basically it's saying USB-C SSD, no USB-C, then regular USB, LAN. What's this one?
Charging cable. That's a
Damn,
proprietary
okay.
charging.
Charging cable, and HDMI. Yeah, that's about it. It's actually a really good looking one. The
Got a
feels,
picture?
it's amazing. On the back here, this is rubberized, so it won't slip. And this one,
Got a huge air vents as well.
air vents as well. It's a huge air vents. It's rubberized. It's Windows 10 Home Edition. With the Legion saying here, and these are rubberized as well, so it would not slip. Really good. Right off the bat, it's a fingerprint magnet. I don't know why, but it just goes after a while. Let's open.
Wow.
Whoa! One finger test. Let me do it again for you guys. Right here. Here. Like Boom! Right? What's this? Okay. Okay, so one of the thing here is the camera is here instead of here. Camera is here. Right? Which is, I don't know why, but hey. And it is saying audio by Harman.
Not good, eh?
Audio by Harman, which is really good. Harman is a very good company for that. And it's a 9th generation i7. Right, so one thing I like about this keyboard is that even though it's 15-inch, it's roomy enough with the numpad. I don't mind that. And the arrow keys are inverted T. So it's on par with any other one. I like the inverted T ones instead of just the small ones that, you know, up and down. But hey, that's me. Because I know like what to do invert and when to not to do invert. So it's just really good. The experience with Cortana is still there.
Your Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
It's trying to be
Use
funny.
your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Where's that?
If
Okay.
you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control,
Quiet.
and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Quiet,
Okay,
quiet.
enough intro.
The logo at the back lights up.
What, really?
Yeah, the T.
Oh, damn.
Y or T or whatever it is.
It's just
Yeah,
a Legion
symbol,
logo.
And then the logo is
Just a Legion.
green. Oh,
Right, so the brick here, this is how it looks like when you are playing. It's just a heavy-ended model with 230 watts, basically taking half of life is waste. And here it's just charging this way, and you can put other wires if you need to, like USB-C, blah blah blah, with the Legion light turning on here. Thumbs if you like it, subs if you love it. Hope to see you in the next Crash Unboxing. Peace. Peace. See you in the Crash Unboxing.